basically what the waste-free parenting workshop is about is we've got a little bit of information in the front around what happens to your waste, why you should care, especially because you're the parents of the next generation. Also recycling, how to do that properly. But the second half is all about what to do with a new baby coming, a new baby in the house, lots of tips and tricks around reducing waste with a baby in the house. And it is really suited for people who are pregnant or who have a young child in nappies. The incentive packs that you get from the councils basically have, and the parenting ones have nappies, and so you get, depending on the ticket price, so some of the packs, if it's a $15 ticket, you might get one nappy and then some other bits and pieces like reusable food pouches and things. If it's a $100 pack, then you're looking at 2 really cool cloth nappies, and some breast pads and baby food pouches and bits and pieces like that. So every pack is quite different, so we work with lots of suppliers of nappies, so in each pack you get 2 different brands. So it's quite a fun workshop, but eye-opening for you, but definitely worthwhile to help you make some good choices with becoming a parent, or if you are a parent and noticing that your waste is getting quite high and your bin's full. So I hope to see you at one of the workshops. And just as an update as well, with the Auckland waste-free parenting workshops that we run up there, we do have a limited number of toddler packs that will be available, which don't have nappies. So slightly different. Every council scheme that I run is quite different. So you just got to check out the small print on the council pages and look at what you're getting. But basically $15 or $25 to come along, and you get free stuff, so you can't go wrong. To book, just check out my website linked below, so it should be on the screen now. Go to my website, katemeads.co.nz, connect with me on Facebook if you want some other tips, or Instagram, and yeah, I hope to see you at one of my workshops soon.